Day 4 on this oil painting try because I haven't messed it up too totally yet. Big news, I'm changing to the Treckle Protege round 0 size brush here because that brush on the left, which I just showed, is the one I did most of the painting with, and is a very cheap brush, which is also frayed and not performing whatsoever, especially when it comes to these fine lines that I suddenly need. Anyway, so trying hard to add refinements and details, and then decided that I'm going to do this area or focus on that area with my new fancy 0 size brush. And then so I worked on this about a half hour, I think, and I guess it looks a little better, maybe slightly closer. I guess, as you go, you paint something and then continue refining it. And even if it's all wrong, you can just keep going and going. And that's what I got so far. Art fun, day 4, oil painting try, bell, shallot, and clear glass.